What is your good name? What's your name? Good name is not used by natives. My age is 25 years. I'm 25 years old. Age is expressed with be, not have. She is my cousin's sister. She's my cousin. English doesn't use cousin, sister / brother. Open the fan. Turn on the fan. We turn on off electrical items. Pass out the exam. Pass the exam. Pass out means faint. I did mistake. I made a mistake. We make mistakes. Give the exam. Take the exam. Students take exams. She is very much beautiful. She's very beautiful. Very much is incorrect here. He is suffering from cold. He has a cold. Simple form sounds more natural. I will reach by 5 p.m. I'll reach at 5 p.m. Use at with time. Discuss about the plan. Discuss the plan. No preposition after discuss. She is married with him. She is married to him. Married to is correct. He is good in math. He is good at math. Skill good at. I am waiting since 2 hours. I've been waiting for 2 hours. Use for with duration. She explained me the rule. She explained the rule to me. Explain needs to. My head is paining. My head hurts. Use hurt, not pain. I am having cold. I have a cold. Health equals have. Do one thing. Here's an idea. Sounds more natural. I am not understanding. I don't understand. Stative verbs aren't used in ing form. Tell me your good name. What's your name? Simple is better. I want leave tomorrow. I'd like to take leave tomorrow. Use soft language. Give me your pen. Could I borrow your pen? Sounds more polite. I demand an answer. I'd appreciate a response. Polite tone matters. Send me the file immediately. Could you please send me the file? Request should sound gentle. I need explanation. I need an explanation. Singular nouns need articles. More better. Better. No double comparatives. Very excellent. Excellent. Excellent is already strong. Repeat again. Repeat. Again is unnecessary. Return back. Return. Back is extra. Each and every. Each/every. One word is enough. I am knowing him. I know him. Know is a stative verb. She is having 2 brothers. She has 2 brothers. Possession equals simple present. I am feeling happy. I'm happy. Shorter sounds more natural. He is absent today. He's not in today. More conversational. Today morning. This morning. Correct time expression. Yesterday night. Last night. Standard English usage. I will inform you same. I'll let you know. Natural native phrase. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any questions? More common in spoken English.